Welcome back to Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel, and I'm your host, Fam the Fabulous. For more ideas, inspiration, swaps, and challenges, click the link in the description below to join our craft community, the Maker Exchange, on Facebook. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back, all my artists, creatives, crafters, and makers. Welcome back to the Lovely Lab. All right, so I want to give a shout out to all of the new members. There's quite a few of you, and for the ones who have been with me for a while, thank you. I humbly thank you. And I'm grateful for the community that we have. You guys always leave amazing comments, feedback, suggestions, and just, y'all follow along with me, and I appreciate it. So I am popping on today to share with you. It's an Etsy share, some digitals that I purchased from Multimedia Digi.com. So she has her own website. She has a blog. And she also has a digital shop. Well, it's a Etsy shop that she offers her digitals on. And so when I say she, I mean Sonya Stover. She's also a member of the Maker Exchange, the Facebook group that we have. If you're interested in joining that, the link is in the description box below. But it is not exclusive to just paper crafters. There's different mediums inside of there, paint, yarn enthusiasts, sewists, and all of the others. So anyways, let me just share with you what Sonya offers in her shop, or should I say what I purchased from Sonya in her shop. And oh, by the way, she was also featured in the collab, the Shades of Love collab, which I'll, point up over there. And I will drop a link below to her shop. All right. So if you're interested in any of the digital. So let me just hop right on in. Good Lord, all that rambling. So this one is called Hello Spring. It actually has 3 pages, but I only printed off 2 because the 3rd page is 4 of these journal cards. And I can just print more of the journal cards. So you also have the word tiles: daffodil, grass, bloom, anew, blissful, green. And then you have the tabs here that you can cut out, fussy cut out, and fold and include on the ends of your pages or on the top of a tag, or a journaling card, one of these journaling cards. And so this is this size. This one is a little bit bigger. And let me show you some of the detail in here. So you see there's like something like a cheesecloth underneath there, and some lace, and has a nice vintage feel. And you see a little bit of like leaf print. And then there's some additional tabs there. Hello Spring, flowers, honeybees, rabbits, Easter eggs, leaves. So this is a good kit that you can create some journaling elements for your Easter or spring journal. But honestly, the colors that they have, you can use them anytime. It's just the words. The word tiles are indicative of spring. So there you have that. Now, and she also offered a freebie on her blog as well as her Etsy shop. So, but when you see freebie, you've got to go inside to see the description, because it'll point you in the direction of where you don't actually have to purchase it. So anyways, now this kit was called Letters, and this one I really love because I don't have any I don't have a digital kit that offers these pages. So let me just share this with you. Let me move that out of the way. So this is like a receipt, a store receipt, a boot and shoe shop. And these print out on 8.5 by 11. I didn't have to make any adjustments. And this is regular Pen and Gear ultra bright paper. It's a little bit thicker than standard copy paper that I printed it on. And the colors are great because they're muted. Some of them are muted tones. And then you'll see later on where there's varying shades. Oh, let me just get a little bit more bright light in here. Okay. And I love the the handwriting. I can't imagine that people had such lovely handwriting, but at that time, you know, they didn't have typewriters, or if they did, those probably weren't as expensive as computers are now, and they just certainly didn't have computers. I remember when, right before computers first came out, and I bought a Hewlett Packard word processor. That was like my second year of college, a word processor. That was in the late 90s, I want to say. Yeah. Isn't that something, y'all? And, no, that was then, yeah, like around 97. And then in 1999, I bought my very first computer. Now, this has a two-tone effect to it. And then this is the same one, but just with different colors, as you see here. And then this one, ornaments. This literally is a letter. And then she's got some additional, it's kind of like wording collage, you know. And this looks like a phone book in the back, very lightly in the back of the page. Isn't this pretty? So that's the letters kit. I will drop a link below to each kit, and that way you'll know exactly which one it is. And then this one is called Vintage Scripts. Okay. I love the pink background. I don't do a lot of pink. I love that this one is blue and pink. This one is like a beige and a very faint pink color. And this is like a nice earth tone with a little leaf print or floral print in the background. And then this, if you can see, is it's kind of like a camel color with a very, very faint text or script in the back. You can see that. And then I love this one. It's kind of grungy, but it's beautiful. It just looks, you can almost feel the texture. If your eyes could feel, it would feel the texture. Okay? And so that one, again, that kit is called Vintage Scripts. I'll put a link below for that. And the prices are very reasonable. And this is a freebie that she offers on her blog. And that's Signs of Romance. And I believe I just saw her make something with this or put this in. So you've got like the and sign, basically some journaling ephemera, a little journaling cards, or you can create pockets with them, a tab right there, a couple of tags, heart shapes, and basically you've got a little bit of lace, some cheesecloth. See if you can see that there. Isn't that beautiful? And it is kind of like a romantic feel, if you will. So anyways, I wanted to share those kits with you and encourage you to stop over, check out Sonya's shop. And that, again, is multimediacraftsdigi.com. And, you know, feel free to support a small business owner and fellow creative. I hope this has encouraged you to use digital and to create from what you have. And until we're back here together on YouTube, guys, stay encouraged, stay blessed, stay creative, and crafty. And I probably will, when I begin to delve into these, you know, I believe it's, this is the one that I'll be using next because, well, these two actually. I'm not sure which one, but I will note in the title, you know, that it's a Sonya Digi, you know, from Multimedia, featuring Multimedia Crafts Digi kit, you know, so that you guys can see and follow along. Anyways, make sure you guys wash your hands, wear your masks, keep your 6-foot distance, take care of yourselves, all right? And your neighbors and elderly. Bye for now. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Hit subscribe to join the crafty community and be sure to click the bell for notifications of new uploads. Thank you so much for watching. Now stay tuned for more from Livie'S Lovelies, your inspirational craft channel. Bye for now.